A specific area of concern and challenge within the classroom context is behavior and classroom management. The behavior of learners can be difficult for teachers to manage apart from the everyday tasks, such as administrative work, staying on track with the curriculum, and staying up to date with overall classroom management. The pandemic COVID-19, which struck the world, especially South Africa, in 2020 created a great concern in and around schools regarding behavior and commitment from learners. Experience the behavior of learners since COVID-19 is that learners have the need to feel that it's not compulsory to work every day. Learners do not feel the need to be interested in classwork and new concepts to be taught, but rather to gain knowledge through video concepts and participation. With this, teachers feel overwhelmed by the workload as well as coping with everyday stress about teaching new concepts and whilst supporting learners with learning barriers. The behavior of learners during the lessons and the need the learners have to learn more and understand the topic, which forms part of the challenge that teachers face on a daily basis. The action plan to implement making use of the theory within the teaching and learning context is to create mental structures which will create critical thinking, encourage problem solving in the classroom, as well as the value and importance of play through learning. And this is a concept where teachers, especially in the foundation grade, need to think that children still learn through play. Play is fun and it's fundamental. That is why it's called fundamental, and through play they will learn more and grasp the concepts more. Intentionally is to influence the way the learners approach and interact with new information by drawing attention to the learners' thinking processes, making them actively involved by asking questions where learners have to think about what they notice or where they can see any differences. The meaning is to connect new knowledge to learners to their own experience and explain ways it might be useful to them. To transcend is to have the immediate experience and to go beyond. Specifically, to look at where learners, to look where and when else a particular thinking process might be relevant to learners. Overall, lessons and activity will be taught to create critical thinking amongst learners. This will encourage learners not to only answer questions, but to analyze and evaluate a question or activity before answering or giving a solution. The process and evaluating information given will encourage exploration to new perceptions and possibilities. In the classroom, they will learn how to plan, how to monitor, and evaluate their own thinking and transform those ideas and beliefs into solutions.